Hey, my name is Bill Gagne, and I'm here to coach you up on finishing your basement. And you're probably wondering, what is a basement coach? Well, at the end of the day, who's that? It's me. Who am I? I'm a husband, dad to two boys and a dog, basketball junkie, and I've been in the renovation business for about 15 years. Why do you care? Well, at the end of the day, I think it's important that you know who you're getting all this information from. You can look me up on LinkedIn. Everything on there is true and up to date. So you can get an idea of who it is that's sharing this information with you. Why am I making a YouTube channel? Well, I wanted to help people get their basement finished. Yes, ideally, if I could make some money doing this, amazing, great. But that's slim to no chance or won't happen anytime soon. The real reasons, or that is a real reason, but for me, one, this is kind of fun, getting to share what I know, make videos. I enjoy the process. I enjoy talking about renovations and basements in general. It's one of my favorite projects to do. But really, one of the things I noticed was that basements are expensive. They're more expensive than people think. Imagine you're buying a new car. And most of the people who finish their basements, in my experience, are young families who want to increase their living space because moving's expensive. Not every young family has enough money to go out and buy another car sitting in the bank. I mean, I have a young family. I don't have that money. I mean, I'm lucky that I can finish my own basement. And I think it would be nice if I could share what I know with other people so that they could move along the path themselves. By no means is what I'm going to share trade secrets or unique. A lot of contractors know these things. They're not very complicated to understand, but there isn't really a lot of resources for people to find online to say, hey, you should look at this subfloor, or you should think about this product, or when you're doing a bulkhead, do it like this. All of this stuff is designed free of charge for you to move along the path to increasing your living space, increasing the value of your home. Most of the families I deal with, they're either trying to make a playroom for their kids so they can send them down there, or creating a room where they can hide from their kids. So given the cost of hiring a contractor to do the whole thing, everybody's looking for ways to save money. Now, whether you're going to hire a contractor, whether you're going to do it yourself, whether you're going to do a mix of the two, my goal is to share things with you that can help you get that goal achieved. Right? So you can have a finished space, or you can move along the path to having a finished space. Do you have to do it all at once? No. What are the phases? What are the things to do before? What are, products you should think about, or tools you should think about having to help you along the road? That's the goal of what I'm trying to do, is to share all that, because I can't take it with me when I die. Not that I'm dying, that's a little dramatic, but everything's going to be okay. Now, most of the basements I've done have been for young families. I haven't done these super sexy man caves you see on the internet that have all these features. There's no waterfalls. They're very simple, functional spaces for families to use. Maybe you want to put in a feature wall or a fireplace. What are you thinking about, a gas fireplace versus an electric fireplace? What are the pros and cons of each? Those are things we're going to dig into. Basement bathrooms. How much money are you going to spend? What features do you want? Do you really want to put in a, $5,000 or $8,000 tiled shower with a niche and a bench and glass doors, when really the only person who's going to be using it are your in-laws who come to visit? I mean, do you want your basement bathroom to be nicer than the bathroom you use every day? No. So these are things, concepts, common sense things people don't always think about if they're not involved in doing this. I've done, any 30 to 40 basements in my career, and I've got a lot of experience that you can benefit from. Think of me like your Google basement search engine, right? Ask me any questions. It's free. Just type in the comments, hey, I'm happy to share what I know. What I will promise you is that eventually I'm going to sell out. But I'll tell you when that's going to happen. In the meantime, I'll give you my honest opinion on everything that I'm going to talk about. We'll go over multiple topics, all things that are going to help you get your basement done. things that are DIY friendly, things you want to get somebody else to do, you want to pay a professional to do if you can, all those tips and tricks. There just isn't as much user-friendly information on the internet and on YouTube that I think is directed to people trying to do that. We're going to be posting topics every week. And as we move along, I'm going to be sharing things that I think you should know. But as I said before, tell me what you want to know about. Reach out, put it in the comments. I want to be sure that I'm delivering on everything you want to know. It's not just what I want to share, because all my experience, there's tons of stuff in there that I might not be thinking is useful and you want to know. And really, if you want to know, for sure, there's other people who want to know the same thing. On that note, think about subscribing, like I said. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.